Hi guys, not sure how to strum your guitar correctly or if you're doing it right? By the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to strum smoothly, helping you to create a great sound everyone will love listening to. So let's get to it. For the best guitar information and tutorials around, subscribe to my channel and hit the bell to be notified when I post a new video every Friday. My name is David Aldridge and I am the author of Funtime Guitar tutorial books. I teach hundreds of people to play the guitar each month. I also create online guitar courses for complete beginners aimed at children. Okay guys, let's make a start on learning how to strum. Okay, so first of all, this video is for people who have never strummed before, or if you have and you're not getting a great sound, or you're generally struggling with your patterns that you're doing. Okay, so by the end of this video, you'll be able to, you'll have the tools to practice to be able to improve your strumming and know what strumming is all about. Okay, so let's jump straight in. So the first thing I want to go over is holding the guitar pick. So you can see here I'm holding it in between my thumb and my finger like this and having about a quarter of the pick showing. You can strum without a pick using the fingers, and I do have a video on that, so please check that out, but this video is pretty much just on using strumming with a guitar pick. So common mistakes I see is people holding the pick with more fingers like this. This creates a lot of tension in the hand, it's very difficult to control. So what I recommend is just holding the pick using your thumb and your finger, even if you feel like you're going to drop it, okay? Alright, so two different ways we strum the guitar. So we have a down strum and we also have an up strum. Okay, and that's it. End of video. No, I'm only joking. Okay, so what we want to practice first of all is the down strums. Okay, towards the floor like this. Okay, what we've got to do is blend all the sounds together. So we don't want to go like this. If we're doing this, it means that we're not getting through the strings quick enough. Okay. It's also like if you've ever skimmed a stone across water, it's kind of like where it just glides across. That's what we want to do. We don't want to dig in like this. Okay, so everything's really relaxed, your wrist and your hand. Okay, so also like putting, you know, when you put the food in the blender and then you hit the button and then it all blends together and just turns into one mush of colour, kind of like that, okay? So the way that we do that is through relaxation, gliding over the strings and also getting through the strings quickly, like that. Now when you practice in this, it's better to do less strums well than just trying to go as quickly as you can. Okay, less is more, as they say. Okay, so you want to just practice doing a few down strums. And common mistakes from the people who I teach each week and who are beginners is that what I see when they're doing it wrong is they tap when they go through the strings too far and tap on the guitar. They get this horrible tapping sound. So the way we correct that, just keep it really close to the strings, like that. Okay, so that's the down strum. Okay, now what I want you to add into this is what we call like beats. It's also called pulse. I refer to it as like the heartbeat in music. So just like we have a heartbeat that keeps us going, music has a heartbeat to keep the music going. Okay, so I'm just going to refer to this as pulse, but I think it can also be called beats and stuff like that. There's different various names for it. So we want to count to 4 as evenly as possible as we're strumming. So kind of like this. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. This is the thing that the pulse is when you listen to music and you start tapping your foot, you start moving. And the better we can deliver that on the guitar, the more you're going to move your listener and they're going to really enjoy your playing because it's going to be very rhythmic, and so counting to 4 very evenly. This is a very uneven way of doing this. Okay, so it'd be kind of like 1, 2, 3, 4. It's almost like random. We don't want to do that. Everything is just very even. The rhythm will also help you relax. Okay, so I want you to practice that. Okay, once you can do that and you're getting through the strings really well, and you're blending and mushing these sounds together, then I want you to add what's called an accent. Okay, so an accent in music is where we add more weight to the strum. So we're going to accent 1, beat 1, and leave 2, 3, and 4 unaccented. So like this: 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2. Okay, cool. And then you move the accent to beat 2. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2. And then so on to beat 3. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, and then to beat 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. As you can see, when I play a song, I can then add accents to what I want in the song, and it just makes it sound more interesting. What is the number one thing you struggle the most with your guitar playing? Please leave a comment below and I'll be sure to answer it. If it's all equal, I mean, it sounds good, but by adding accents, it's kind of making your playing three-dimensional. It's awesome. Please practice that. Okay. So that's the down strums. To practice the down strums, mushing the sounds together, getting through the strings quickly, counting 1, 2, 3, 4, delivering the pulse really evenly, and an accent in each beat. Okay, so the next part of strumming I want to talk about is the up strums. Now this is where most people do struggle. Okay, so basically the up strum, we want to achieve the same thing where we're blending all the sounds together. Again, we're getting through the strings quickly in a really nice relaxed way, so we're not beginning too much or not too light. Again, like skimming the stone across water. It's all very poetic today. Okay, so up strums, 90% of up strums are filler, okay? They fill in between the important stuff, which is the beats. So the beats, let's say the most important part of strumming is number 5, those are the downbeats. So they're 5, they're hugely important to get right. Now the up strums is filler, so they're less important. They're probably round about a 2 or a 3, okay? So I'm going to give you an exercise you can do just to step out of some really complicated strumming exercises that you could be learning that are just totally frustrating you, stepping out of those and just practicing, getting your strumming right first of all, then going back into those complicated songs. It'll be so much easier for you to do. Okay, so we've got the beats 1, 2, 3, and 4. And what we're going to do, we're going to put an up strum in between 1 and 2. Okay, so we can use an and for that. Okay, and what we're doing is we're doubling the speed, so kind of like this: 1 and 2, 3, 4, 1 and 2, 3. You'll notice there that it's not making it strenuous. I'm just nice up strum just to fill out in between 1 and 2, and then you can bring that in between beats 2 and 3. So 1, 2, and 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. Cool. And then moving it on to beat 3. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2. eventually number 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 1, 2. Can you see how it's continuous? Strumming is continuous. But now if that's too complicated, then do take a break in between. And I do this with my students who I teach each week, and their strumming is phenomenal. It comes on really well. Just to leave a gap of 4 in between. So if you get 1, 2, 3, 4, and 1, 2, 3, 4, then again 1, 2, 3, 4, and 1. It's kind of reflective time. Those 4 beats in between give you that time to just think about how you need to improve the next one. It gives you time and space. Do everything slow and precise. Alright, so that's the main point of strumming. I do have other videos where strumming without a pick, and both are absolutely fine. Some people prefer to use a pick, others prefer to use the fingers. So the difference being that you get a more projected sound with a pick, where if you're using your fingers it's a more softer tone. So maybe if you're like a singer, it could be good to use your you know, the fingers and the hands to strum, but you have to kind of work that one out for yourself and what fits best with what you're trying to achieve in your strumming. Okay, now you know exactly how to strum confidently. But what about when you're strumming a song? I have written a kids tutorial book on how to strum songs using different patterns. Download the guide at the link in the description. Also, connect with me on Facebook, as I'll be sharing a lot of free content on my Facebook page that you don't want to miss out on. If you have any questions, feel free to send me a message through the page. Join the group at the link below.